Hi guys, welcome to the new journey of interview prep. So in this series, I'm going to share you the things what are all I have learned and what are all the basic knowledge needed to attend any kind of interviews and any kind of mm, companies. So we'll just step into the video. So in this video, we're going to see about the basic SQL operations. So I'm just taking six kind of SQL operations. So SQL join operations. First, we are going to see the inner join. So on coming to the part, so the inner join is nothing but it returns only the rows with matching values in both the tables. So as you can see, the syntax, the select table dot column one and table dot column two from table one. Inner join table two on table one dot column name equal to table two dot column name. So here we are taking it two different tables. One is an employee table and another one is a department table. So on that, we are selecting name column from employees and name column department name column from the departments table from employees. So employees are primary table. So and inner join of departments on employees dot department ID and departments of department ID. So here the department ID is a primary column, which is common for both the tables. And in this, the result will return only the employees who belong to the department who belong to both the tables will be written here. So as you can see that we'll here, this is the inner join. This center pick is the inner join example. So here there is a two table which is named A and B. So the inner join will return the common items which for both A and B. So this is the inner join one. And coming to the left join, it is nothing but return uh, here, this is the left outer join. So it returns all rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. So you can see that here, this is the left join one. So it will return all the items which are available on A as well as which are common for both A and B. It will be written from left join. So here's the syntax of the left join one. And the examples, same employees and department table. So in this, we are selecting a name column from both the employees and the department name. As I said before, employees the primary one, left join of departments on employees of the department ID equal to departments of department ID. Department ID is a primary column here, and it shows all the employees even if it is don't belong to any department. Unmatched any department, unmatched department will return null. Yeah. The employees which doesn't belong to any department will be written as a null value on the department name column. And coming to the right join, so right join is nothing but it's an opposite of a left join thing. It returns all the rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. So you can see that this is the right join one. This is the right join one. So it will return all data from the B as well as the common in between A and B. So it will return the items. So this is the syntax of a table dot column one, comma table dot column two from table one. Right join of table two of table dot column one equal to table dot common column. So uh, it will return all the departments. It will return all the departments first, and the employees who aren't assigned to any department will be shown as a null. Okay. So here the department column is a primary one, and the full outer join it combines the result of both left and right joins. So, so you can see it returns all the data, which includes table A as well as the table B. So it returns all records when there is a match in either table. Unmatched rows will appear as a null one. Okay. So the common syntax, most probably all the syntax of this join statement will be similar. So these are, as you can see, the select statement will be remain same. Full from statement remains the same. This full outer join and left join, right join, this thing will change accordingly, and this on statement will be remain same. Okay. So same example, these employees and department table, we are displaying all the data available on both the tables, which doesn't have any similar, which doesn't have, for example, the employee which doesn't assigned to any departments, it will be shown as a null thing. Same like that, if any department doesn't have any employees, it will be shown as a null one. Okay. Then the cross join returns the Cartesian product of the two tables. Every row in the left table is combined with every row in the right table. So first we are taking just a minute. Let me see. So here does it cross join now? So I say that assume that you have a table A and a table B. So on both the thing, table A contains 1, 2, 3, and table B contains 1, 2, 3. In this cross join thing, you will have about for table A 1, there will be a 3 records assigning from table B, and for 2 it will be assigning as a 3 records, and for 3 it will be assigning as a 3 records. Same like that, product B. You can see the example here. So here the select from employees and the project table. We are taking a name from employees table and project name from a project table. From employees, cross join of projects. So here if there is a 5 employees and 3 projects, this query returns 15 combinations, which means 5 cross 3. So for each employee, there will be 3 projects. Okay. So, hope you understand it. And the final thing is an self join one. So it joins the table to itself as if it were two separate tables. If it, we are combining a same table uh, with itself. So it is useful for the hierarchical or a recursive relationship like manager and employees. The syntax of the subjoin will be a dot name as employee or b dot name as employee manager. Uh, so in this example, these are the names which are available on a company. Either these may be an employee as well as a manager. So on that case, we are self-joining the same table uh, to return here. While executing this query, it will return the we are doing an inner join of manager ID, which is equal to employee ID. Okay. So if manager ID is null, it will be not considered and it will not shown in a result also. So when the manager ID is 1, so the name is Bob. So the employee will be Bob and the manager will be the corresponding name, Alice. So the manager of employee Bob will be Alice. Okay. Same like that, the Charlie will also be Alice. And for Dave, it will be Bob. Okay. So this is how the common join statements work. So if you have any suggestions, just comment me down and see you on the next video soon.